In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve and warp text in Canva. Whether you're crafting a unique design for a social media post, a presentation, or any other creative project, understanding how to manipulate text can add a dynamic flair to your work. To start, make sure you have your Canva project open and ready. You should be on the editing page where you want to apply these text effects. It's crucial to have your design in front of you so you can see the changes in real time. Once you're there, you'll want to identify the text element you wish to modify. Simply click on the text that you'd like to curve. If you haven't added any text yet, you can do so by selecting the text option from the sidebar, choosing a style, and typing in your desired words. After selecting your text, look towards the top of your screen where you'll find the toolbar. Click on Effects. This is where Canva houses its text manipulation tools. Clicking this will open up a panel on the left side of your screen, displaying a variety of options that allow you to add different effects to your text. Now within the Effects panel, you'll want to locate the section labeled Shape. This is where the magic happens. Here you'll see several options, but for curving text, click on Curve. Once you select this option, the text on your canvas will automatically curve. But the amount of curve is fully adjustable. You'll notice a slider that appears right below the curve option. By sliding it left or right, you can increase or decrease the curvature to get the exact look you're aiming for. This flexibility allows you to create anything from a gentle arc to a complete circle, depending on your design needs. And there you have it. You've successfully curved your text in Canva. This simple but effective tool can transform your designs, making them more engaging and visually appealing. Remember, practice makes perfect. So feel free to experiment with different levels of curvature to see what complements your project best. With these steps, you can easily add a professional touch to any of your Canva creations.